Volclay waterproofing products from Great Lakes Waterproofing offer a total waterproofing solution. Bentonite uses the natural swelling and self-healing properties of sodium bentonite, a unique mineral formed from volcanic ash and salt water. Great Lakes waterproofing products are the most environmentally sensitive on the market today and offer a myriad of benefits, including permanent installation, self-healing properties, fast, easy installation, and Great Lakes technical expertise. Bentonite is specially formulated for use in sealing subgrade foundations, tunnels, vaults, and manholes, steel sheet piling interlocks, and nuclear waste containment. Independent testing results also show bentonite or Volclay to be an effective radon and methane containment barrier. Once injected, bentonite hydrates and swells, expanding to form a watertight seal against the subgrade structure. Volclay remains flexible and won't crack below soil grade. The equipment we use for applying bentonite is a high-grade mixer and pump system. At Great Lakes Waterproofing, we use a vertical paddle or horizontal ribbon blender with a progressive cavity pump. We also use several injection rods measuring 3/4 of an inch outside diameter. The lengths will vary depending on the depths of the footing in relation to ground level. We mix the bentonite or Volclay with fresh, clean water to obtain optimal results. A 50-pound bag is blended with 14 gallons of water to produce a 30% solids content grout. The bentonite remains pumpable for about 45 minutes. A mud balance is often used to verify the grout-to-water ratio. Our Great Lakes technicians drive probes along the outside of the foundation wall, all the way down to the footing. We tap the injection rods, which are hooked up by a hose to the pump system, down to the footing at intervals of about 3 to 4 feet apart, maintaining the on-center spacing. The grout is then injected at 60 psi until the Volclay rises up to ground level. The rod is then removed from the grout and injected again a few feet away as the sequence is completed down the line. The process is repeated until the entire specified area is completely sealed from footing to grade. The bentonite is a permanent, non-dissolvable product. It won't dry out or crack, and it remains flexible because the product is force-dried at the time of manufacture to have an 8 to 10% bonded moisture content. For special industrial jobs in which access is not available outside, tunnels, vaults, and manholes, for example, can be injected from the interior. This is only for industrial applications. Cracks are sealed with special epoxy to prevent the bentonite grout from migrating back into the structure. First, the 3/4 injection hole is drilled through the wall, 12 inches above the floor elevation. If water pressure is high, a 3/4 inch outside diameter packer can be installed to stem the back pressure. The first holes are spaced approximately 4 feet on center along the wall. The second set of holes is then spaced 4 feet above and 2 feet over from the first set. Upward placement is continued until the last set of holes is within 1 foot of the ceiling or roof. The grout is pumped at approximately 60 psi through the first grout hole. Now, typically, the grout will seek a path of least resistance and will be noticed at grade or observation holes. When this occurs, a plug is inserted into the first grout hole, and the procedure is continued for the remaining holes until back pressure occurs. The grout holes are then plugged with wooden dowels or rubber plugs and cement. Great Lakes Waterproofing is a family-owned business that's been in operation since 1978. We are one of the largest and most trusted waterproofing organizations in the United States. Contact your Great Lakes representative today to schedule an appointment. You can also view GreatLakesWaterproofing.com for contact information and more details about our processes.